people who is treated with radiotherapy first suffer this acute phase that is characterized by the depletion of the stem cell pool, and then they have bleeding and they have several side effects. One of the objectives studying these stem cells would be just to identify mechanisms in order to boost the regeneration or the differentiation of cells in order to regenerate the intestine and to reduce the side effects of the acute phase. Later on, the idea would be to identify mechanisms that are important in the establishment of the chronic phase of the radiation-induced enteritis. For this, we will study the crosstalk of hematopoietic cells with the intestinal compartment to see if we can avoid the process of fibrosis. For many years, the scientific community, believed that in the intestine there was a unique and specialized pool of cells that give rise to all differentiated cells. Those cells are the stem cells. And actually, this is true during a steady state, during homeostasis. However, now we know that such a hierarchy, it does not exist, that during injury, more differentiated cells are able to de-differentiate and to become stem cells. This means that upon certain situations, all cells, or many cells at least, have the potential to become stem cells. This is one of the processes I would like to study in my lab. My view of this of a stem cell is that it's more a job than a state. So any cell, depending if you put them in the right niche, in the right situation, is able to behave as a stem cell. There's no such a unique population. It's more, how to say this, it's a job. Any cell has the potential to behave like a stem cell. I think it's very important to be curious and fascinated for science, and then to achieve the different goals, it's always a combination of hard working and never surrender. You have to try things many times to get fellowships, to publish papers, to address the questions you want. So hard work, never surrendering. I think it's an excellent place to carry on the project I aim to do. I am in a program that is a regenerative medicine program, but I want to study regeneration in cancer survivors. This means that IDIBELL, that it's placed in a reference hospital for cancer patients, it's an excellent place to study this disease, because I will have access and communication with clinicians and moreover with patients.